Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Dear homeopathic students, homeopathic well wisher, and homeopathic patients, and those who are want to know about homeopathy and homeopathic medicine and homeopathic repertory. Now I would like to present to you some rubric from genitalia female from the repertory of Kent. All famous leader Dr. Kent's repertory, we find some rubric. In Bangla, I have already published this rubric 1 to 10. Now I would like to present and on my lecture 10 to 12 or 13. Here we can find genitalia female means is changeable in appearance. Genitalia female leukorrhea lying while. Leukorrhea means the vaginal discharge, but the vaginal excessive discharge. It may be white, yellow, black, and so on. When a patient feeling the vaginal discharge where she is lying in bed, you can suggest pulsatilla. Genitalia female means changeable in appearance. Genitalia females means copious, excitement after. Here we can find the rubric means copious. Copious means a large quantity of, a plenty of, a lots of. It means copious. Excitement, anger after. When a patient see the menses copious, lots of menses at the time after excitement or anger, you can suggest the causation calcarea curve. Genitalia female means is painful. Climaxis near the parts of climaxis near, you can suggest sorinum. Genitalia female means is suppressed grief from. When a patient fleeing obstacle to menses from grief, elements from grief, you can check ignitia. My dear friend, would like to collect this symptom from classic 8. Now you can open rubric icon and select Kent female genitalia female. Open. Now female means is copious, means as copious, excitement after. Double click. Means is painful, means is suppressed grief from. Eta nebo amra this rubric I would consider. So means is suppress, anger from, excitement from. Excitement from, excited from, anger from. We can exertion from, anger from, you can suppress. My dear friend, this is a lecture to you, not for your vast knowledge. This lecture for you for practicing how to practice a repertory by computer. I would like to share this section, how to start, how to take rubric, sub-rubric, and so on. So this is teeny lecture to you, and I will standing to you next time with great beautiful and nice lecture too. So stay connected with us.